How we doing, everybody? It's another beautiful day in the Cheese and Moon Workshop. This is Thankful Thursday. Going to do a quick look at a couple of the knives from the rust bucket that I cleaned up. I'm calling it a Thankful Thursday because I got to talk to my kid brother. I haven't talked to him in a couple years. So there we go. Thankful Thursday. Playing some music to drown out the sound of the car running in the AC because I'm doing this on my lunch break. First, I'm going to look at this Western knife that I picked up, and I'm keeping it in this Buckmaster's nylon sheath here. This knife cleaned up really well. I really like this knife. It's very similar to a Buck 110 Light, or those type of knives with the plastic or nylon handles. But this is a Western USA stainless steel. It's the modern Western, which is owned by Coleman. But really good knife. I love the way it feels in my hand. I have a big hand, and I'm able to just get a full good purchase on this knife. I sharpened it. It's pretty good. I have sharper knives, but this one sharpened up pretty nicely. It is stainless. They're a little bit harder to sharpen than a carbon steel knife, but I mean, it'll do a slow pass or a quick pass, and sharp enough for anything I'm going to be doing with it. Okay, so I really love that knife. This other knife, this is a Columbia River knife and tool, CKRT. Some people call them crickets, whatever. It's just a strange little knife. This is a insert that you can get in different colors when you order the knife. And the knife is about a $25 knife. It has this Warncliffe style blade, and you see those serration marks on the edge? That's because this is a self-sharpening knife. Every time you open and close, there's little diamond plates. This is the lock mechanism. It's a lock back. Really don't care for that, but it's a decent knife. There's the serrations inside. There's little diamond honing plates in there that sharpen a knife every time you open and close it. And as a result, it kind of leaves those little micro serrations down the blade. Cardboard, heavy paper, cardstock, banding straps on packages, slices through them like butter. This thin sheet from a magazine, not so much. It kind of catches on those little serrations. Once you get it going, it's all right. I mean, but it catches on that fine paper. But you go through cardboard or something like that, and this thing is just like a laser beam going through there. I do like the Warncliffe style blade on it. There you see I'm on a good stride through this thin paper. You got to just finesse it through there. But it's got a pretty wicked edge on something a little more substantial than a thin magazine. I do like the knife. I'm a fan of the Warncliffe and the sheepfoot, lambfoot type flat edge on it. And I'll get rid of my Cheesy Moon confetti here and just kind of wrap this up. Those are the first two knives I cleaned up out of the recent rust bucket. This is an Edgy 2 is the name brand of it. Probably is made in China or Taiwan. They do make some stuff in the U.S., but it would probably say U.S. on it. But it's a decent little knife. If you're a shipping receiving guy, this is a perfect, decent little knife for cutting up packages and such. And this is going to be my new favorite for daily carry. It'll do everything my buck knife would do without tearing up my buck knife. Good positive lockup, decent looking knife. And it's already been in my pocket for 4 or 5 days, and we'll carry it the rest of the week and through the weekend. But there you go, guys. The first two knives out of the second batch of rust bucket knives. I hope this has been a little bit informative, entertaining. It was relaxing for me to clean them up. So until I see you all again, please remember to like, subscribe, hit the notifications, and have a beautiful day.